San Antonio Spurs fans in the house? Is there any Houston Rocket fans in the house? Is there any Texas Longhorn fans in the house? Eso. Esta canción se la voy a dedicar para mi jefito in Kyle, Texas. He used to sing this song conmigo y habían los únicos Arafat, Texas. Ahorita está medio maldito mi jefito. He's been diagnosed with cancer. But together we're gonna keep cancer right the fucking ass, man. Ahí te va, jefito. Algo que dice. Destino cruel.